Have you ever walked into a room and felt completely invisible, as if you're just a background character in someone else's story? Do you wonder why some people effortlessly command attention, while you struggle to make a lasting impression? That's the power of charisma. And by the end of this video, you won't just be another face in the crowd. You'll be the one people can't take their eyes off. Uncover the 5 hidden secrets to achieving irresistible charisma. Step into our realm, where we empower ordinary men to become extraordinary heroes. Let's fire things up. Secret number 1, the power of presence. Have you noticed that person who doesn't need to talk, but still gets everyone's attention when they walk into a room? It's not magic. It's the strength of showing up. It's the unspoken way of expressing confidence, self-assurance, and authenticity. It's the difference between being just another guy in the room and being the guy everyone wants to talk to, listen to, and be around. But here's the key point. You're not naturally born with presence. It's something you create. It comes from having a strong belief in your own value and the skill to share that belief with others. It's about staying in the moment, not getting lost in your phone or your thoughts. It's also about listening more than you talk, but when you speak, doing it with purpose and confidence. So how can you grow this unique skill? First, work on your mindset. Believe that you have something valuable to offer the world, because if you don't, no one else will. Work on building your self-confidence through mastery and achievement. Set small goals, achieve them, then aim higher. As you achieve these victories, your inner confidence will grow, which is essential for a strong presence. Next, improve your body language. Stand tall, look people in the eye, and be confident. Remember, your body talks before your words. Practice mindfulness by being fully present in every moment, whether you're talking to someone, working on a project, or just enjoying solitude. When you're fully present, people can feel it, and they'll be drawn to you like moths to a flame. Only by following this secret, you will realize a huge difference in your charisma. Secret number 2, the aura of authority. Ever wonder why some people seem to command respect effortlessly, while others struggle to get even a modicum of attention? The difference is what I call the aura of authority. This isn't about being bossy or authoritarian. It's about exuding a sense of competence, wisdom, and leadership that makes people naturally want to follow you. It's about being the kind of person who can make decisions, take responsibility, and inspire confidence in others. You see, authority isn't granted, it's earned. It's earned through a track record of competence, integrity, and most importantly, results. People don't follow titles, they follow credibility. And credibility is built through consistent action, not empty words. If you want to exude authority, start by becoming a true expert in what you do, no matter if you're an entrepreneur, artist, or professional. Read a lot, practice a lot, and connect with mentors who can help you grow. Second, be a person of your word. If you say you're going to do something, do it. No excuses, no delays. Your word should be your bond. This builds trust, and trust is the foundation of authority. Third, learn to communicate effectively. You could be the smartest person in the room, but if you can't articulate your thoughts clearly and persuasively, you'll never command the respect you deserve. Work on your public speaking skills, improve your emotional intelligence, and learn the art of persuasion. When you speak, people should want to listen. When you lead, people should want to follow. This is the essence of the aura of authority. So, are you ready to step up and be the leader you were born to be? The world is waiting for you to rise to the occasion. Choose to be extraordinary. Secret number 3, the warmth factor. You've probably met people who seem to draw others toward them like a magnet, not because they're flashy or showy, but because they radiate a kind of warmth that makes you feel seen, heard, and valued. This is what I call the warmth factor, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Warmth is the secret source that turns casual acquaintances into lifelong allies. And it's the glue that holds together any successful team, community, or relationship. But don't mistake this for some fluffy feel-good nonsense. Warmth is like a secret weapon in your arsenal. A tool that can unlock doors, dissolve barriers, and create opportunities that cold competence alone cannot. It's your ability to connect with others on a personal level, to convey empathy and understanding, and to make people feel valued. In a world where everyone fixates on IQ, your emotional intelligence is your undercover strength. So, how do you cultivate this elusive warmth? First, practice active listening. When someone is speaking, give them your full attention. Make eye contact, nod, and respond appropriately. Show that you're engaged and that you care. Second, be generous with your praise and quick to acknowledge the contributions of others. A simple thank you or great job can go a long way in building goodwill. Third, be authentic. People can spot a phony a mile away, so don't try to be someone you're not. Authenticity breeds trust, and trust breeds warmth. Are you set to improve your social game? Start cultivating warmth today, and both your future self and everyone you meet will be appreciative. Secret number 4, mastering vocal dynamics. Have you ever noticed how some people can instantly grab everyone's attention when they speak? It's not by chance. It's the result of mastering vocal dynamics. Listen up, warriors, because this is a game changer. Your voice isn't just a tool for communication. It's a weapon of influence. A well-modulated voice can inspire armies, close deals, and win hearts. It's not about how loud you can yell. It's about how effectively you can convey emotion, intent, and conviction. Think of your voice as an instrument. Each note, each pitch, and each pause is a deliberate choice that adds layers to your message. You aspire to become a master of this instrument, not merely an amateur hitting the keys. To achieve this, start by comprehending its mechanics, including pitch, tone, and timing. To improve your speaking skills, remember to slow down when you want to highlight important points and speed up to express excitement or urgency. Think of pauses as the spoken language's punctuation marks. Next, record yourself. Yes, it might be uncomfortable listening to your voice, but that's how you identify areas for improvement. Work on eliminating filler words like and which dilute your message. And for the love of all things sacred, get rid of that monotonous drone. Infuse your voice with the passion and conviction you feel inside. This is how you turn words into weapons, how you make your message not just heard but felt. So, are you ready to wield this weapon like a pro? If you're nodding your head, then let's get to work. Your voice is a reflection of your inner world. Make sure it's as extraordinary as you are. Secret number 5, emotional intelligence. Do you believe that being completely unemotional is the ultimate form of manliness? Think again. The most remarkable men were leaders, and to lead, you require emotional intelligence, the hidden gem of mastering relationships. It's the special ingredient that not only makes you likable, but incredibly captivating. You see, warriors, people don't just respond to what you say or do. They respond to how you make them feel. Emotional intelligence is your ability to recognize, understand, and manage not only your own emotions, but also the emotions of others. It's what allows you to navigate complex social landscapes, diffuse tension, and forge deep, meaningful connections. It's the skill that turns you from a mere participant in this game of life into a dominant player. You become the guy people turn to in times of crisis, the leader who can rally the troops, the man who can win hearts without even trying. To cultivate this invaluable skill, first start with self-awareness. You can't understand others if you don't understand yourself. Spend time in introspection. Recognize your emotional triggers, your strengths, and your weaknesses. Next, practice empathy. Put yourself in other people's shoes. Understand their fears, their desires, and their motivations. This isn't about manipulation, it's about connection. It's about building bridges instead of walls. And let's get real. In a world that's becoming increasingly polarized and isolated, this is the skill that will set you apart. It's not just about becoming a man of influence, it's about becoming a man of impact. So, are you ready to elevate your emotional intelligence game? If you're nodding in agreement, then let's get started without any hesitation. You possess the secrets, tools, and a roadmap to master interpersonal skills. However, let's be honest, knowing the path and walking it are two entirely distinct endeavors. The journey to becoming a social titan is riddled with challenges, and the most significant obstacle is complacency. When you think you have everything figured out and stop pushing, growing, and challenging yourself, you become the person who talks but doesn't act. You might be an armchair expert in dissecting social dynamics, but you'll falter in real-world situations like a novice. Don't be that person. Complacency silently hinders progress. It's the invisible chain that keeps you bound to mediocrity. Break free from it before it stifles your potential. The second trap to watch out for is arrogance. When you start achieving success, it's easy to become overconfident. You might begin thinking you're a master of social dynamics, and this is when you start slipping. You may become condescending and dismissive, bulldozing your way through social interactions. Remember, the objective is not to dominate, but to elevate yourself. The aim is to establish a network of genuine connections, not a fan club of sycophantic admirers. Arrogance is the fast track to becoming a social pariah, someone people tolerate but never truly respect. So, warriors, leave your ego at the door. This journey is not about proving how great you are, it's about discovering how great you can be. All right, warriors, we've just laid down the 5 secrets to becoming a social titan, a master of interpersonal dynamics. This isn't just a pep talk, it's a call to action. So, what's your plan moving forward? Will you allow this video to be a passing spark of inspiration, or will you harness it as the catalyst for change? If you're dedicated to mastering these secrets, show your support by hitting the like button. Share this video with someone who could benefit from this message, because warriors uplift one another. Lastly, remember to subscribe for more straightforward, transformative content that will help you unleash the social titan within you. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step starts now. Your destiny is calling. Don't keep it waiting.